Hey guys, this is Unit 2, Lesson 5, adding whole numbers and decimals. We're going to look at doing that in a couple of different ways, or with a couple of different units. We're going to be looking at lengths with meters, and we're also going to be looking at monies. Let's go ahead and get started here with a few practice problems. Number 5, we have $37.45. So as we've done in previous lessons, we're going to write that vertically so we make sure that we are lining up our place values or our decimals. I'm going to go ahead and put in placeholders there for my $37. Since I have 45 cents, that is less than a whole dollar. That would be to the right of my decimal. Alrighty, and when you look at this, you can kind of just figure that with mental math. You have $37 plus 45 cents would give you $37.45. I'll go ahead and work this out. 5 here, 4 here, and I need to bring down my decimal. That's very important. I can put placeholder zeros here just to remind myself that this is 0. So I have 7 and a 3 here, giving me $37. I need my units and 45 cents. Okay, let's take a look at number 6. We have $82.06 plus 25 cents. Get my pen back out. So we're going to write this $82.06 plus 25 cents. And this time I think I'll go ahead and just put in my placeholder zeros for starting. And just to make sure I don't forget, I'm going to go ahead and bring down my decimal before I start. That may be a good thing to do just so you guys don't ever forget. And we come over into our hundredths column. We have 6 plus 5. That gives us 11, so we're going to have to carry 1 over into our tenths. 1 plus 2 gives me 3, and then we have 82. So that gives us $82.31 for our total. Number 7, we have 59 cents plus $4.23. I'll go ahead and write. I'm going to put in some 0 placeholders in my whole dollar amount when I write 59 cents. So 59 cents plus $4.23. So now that I've got everything lined up, I've got my decimals aligned, go ahead, put in placeholder there, bring my 0 down, and I'm ready to go. 9 plus 3 gives me 12. I need to carry 1 over. Now I have 6 plus 2 more gives me 8. And now I can just come over and do my whole dollars. And it's not necessary to bring down a 0 here. So this gives me $4.82. The next one, number 8, is asking us to add distances in meters. So we have 9 meters plus 5/100ths of a meter. So 9 meters, remember meters is the base unit, or like the ones. I'm going to put in some placeholders to the hundredths place because that's what we have in our part for the part of a meter. We have 5/100ths of a meter. So this one, once again, you can just kind of look at it and do mental math and see that it is 9 and 5/100ths of a meter. And I need to make sure that I'm bringing my decimal down and that I'm labeling my units, meters. Okay, number 9 is just asking us to add 2 numbers. We have 92 and 24/100ths plus 3 and 6/10ths. So I'm going to put a placeholder in here and also in my hundredths column. So now I can see I have my decimals aligned. Go ahead and bring that decimal down before I start adding. This gives me 4 here, 2 and 6, have 8, 5 over here, and giving us a total of 95 and 84 hundredths. Okay, we'll do one more here, guys, and then I'm going to pause the video to give you a chance to do a couple of practice problems on your own. So number 10, once again, we are adding 5 meters, which is distance, to 8 hundredths of a meters. So I'm going to include some placeholder zeros to the right of my decimal. And now I've got my 8 hundredths of a meter. So this one can be done with mental math. I'll go ahead and go through the steps. My hundredths place, we have 8 hundredths. We don't have anything here in the tenths column, and we have 5 whole meters. So our answer would be 5 and 8 hundredths meters. Or if we look at it like from lesson 2-4 yesterday, we have 5 meters, 0 decimeters, and 8 centimeters. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and have you guys work 11, 12, and 13 on your own, and I'll see you back here in a Alrighty, welcome back, guys. Hope you had success with those few practice problems. Now we're going to take a look at a couple of word problems where we're going to be adding whole numbers and decimals. Let's check out number 14 here. Lena is making curtains and a decorative pillow for her bedroom. She needs 75 hundredths of a meter of cloth for the pillow and 4 and 67 hundredths meters for the curtains. How much cloth does she need in all? So in all, that's telling me we need to add here. So I'll go ahead and come out to the side and bring this out, making sure that I am lining up my decimals. Okay, now we're ready to add. We've got everything aligned, our hundredths and our tenths and our ones. We can go ahead and enter in a placeholder 0 there. 7 and 5 give us 12, so I need to carry over a 10 or a 1 into the tenths column. Sorry about that. So 6 plus 1 gives us 7, plus 7 more is 14. So now I'm going to have to carry a 1 over into the ones column. 1 plus 4 gives us 5 and 42 hundredths. And remember, this is meters. We're trying to see how many meters she would need in total for her pillow and the curtains. Okay, let's take a look at 15 now. As Olivia is buying a jacket that cost $85.99. The sales tax that will be added to the cost of the jacket is $5.16. What is the total cost of the jacket including sales tax? So we're going to need to add those two together to come up with the total. So we have 85. Whoops, that is there. We have $85.99 plus our sales tax of $5.16. That decimal didn't show up very good there. I'm going to go ahead and fill that in a little better. There we go. And I think I will enter in placeholder 0. I'm going to go ahead and bring down my decimal before I start to make sure I don't forget. 9 plus 6, 15. I carry 1. 10, one more is 11. I need to carry over into the ones column. I have 6 plus 5 more, 11. Carry over again. 1 plus 8 gives me 9. And this is dollars, remember, so the total cost for the jacket, including the sales tax, is $91.15. We will see you guys here in class.